Hala, how are you?
Fine.
Wow.
You know what the meaning hala?
No,
No?
no, tell me.
No.
Let's-
Yalla, let's go. Yalla, come in.
Hala hala means come.
Hala, welcome.
Oh.
Welcome. But you are from UK?
Jordan.
You are from Jordan?
Straight from Dana village.
Yes. Me and you are the same. From Dana now.
Beautiful.
And this is from UK. Yes. Huh?
Beautiful. Wow. Why?
You look at the room after
Yes.
you can question.
And what happened to this beautiful houses there? Broken.
This
Why?
is before about 50 years ago.
Yes. Why?
All the people is out with our new village.
In the
And after no have any people stay here.
is here in Dana.
I'm older here.
Always here.
Yeah. You look at my home here. Come on. Me older here.
Wow. Lovely. Oh, you have your own house?
Yeah, look at that. Okay.
Can I take my shoes off?
Okay.
Shoes off?
This is our shoes on. Come on.
Oh, so guest house,
This is hotel.
hotel.
The Dana Resida Hotel.
What's the name
Ali.
and the hotel name?
Dana Resida Hotel.
Dana Residence Hotel.
Yeah.
Wow. So people, when you're here,
Yeah.
Ali.
Yes.
So Ali, please take care of the ones at the front also.
Yeah.
So when I come next time,
You are welcome.
and
When
I
you
can,
come, you don't like.
I like to be in that one in the front there.
Yeah, it's all.
You can make it
Yeah.
like this one.
Yeah, this is I have all the rooms.
All the rooms
All the rooms to me.
and the
view-
front
and
and the
sun-
front view.
Yeah.
You're
and
going
the
to.
sunset to me,
Okay.
and the view is to me here.
So you're going to make it like this.
Yeah.
Like old way.
This is about 300 years ago.
Yes.
This is a house. This is me and my father and my
Grand-
grandfather live here.
All live here.
This is my bed. This look at this.
Original bed for you.
This is bed.
Originally.
Yeah.
Floor.
Not that.
Not that,
This one.
but the floor.
All me and my friends, brothers.
Brothers.
This is bed my father.
For the couch, like to sit
This is
down.
a small baby. This is a bed from.
Oh,
the-
like a sling. Okay. Beautiful. Look at this.
Here, fountain here.
Water
Up
feature.
motor.
Uh-huh.
When you start, water up and down.
Okay. Wow.
I have 25 room like this one
In the village.
in the village. I have 7 doors there, and the black.
And they take care.
Here I have about 9,
Yes.
and other one 7, and other one about 10.
Beautiful. So this is passed from generations. 1, 2, 4 generation?
Yeah.
4 generation.
Yeah.
Beautiful. Beautiful. Beautiful.
Thank
And
you.
Please take care.
Yeah.
Wow.
Okay, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
I am Ali
Ali, I'm Sharan.
Shoran.
Sharan.
You are from India before. His name Indian.
Everyone's
Huh?
I'm from everywhere.
Everywhere. I no problem. Well, me and you all is
Everywhere.
Everywhere.
I
Yeah. Welcome.